pancake.
Girl those off the table.
The tap. Welcome back to another YouTube video. So today is Saturday and tomorrow is Mother's Day, and I thought maybe I'll just do a few days of my life little vlog. And it is absolutely boiling right now. My mom made ice cream and we're gonna put something on the ice cream for tomorrow. Yeah. Oh, you can actually see it. It says mom. Yeah.
Use my new ice cream. Oh my god! Please don't take a picture of me.
Oh no, I'm just vlogging.
Happy Auntie's Day!
Dad, can you put this away?
We're gonna have pancakes.
Who's making it?
All of you. That's so kind.
How do you feel?
But I didn't want to get the ring because I can't. And people are saying
The last pancake. We have ordered Simply Asian for dinner.
this is yours.
No, I think that's the spring rolls.
Beautiful. This is. I think this is yours actually. No, this is. No, it's not. Get another one out.
Yum.
There is a. Is it okay if I use now? Yeah.
Imagine my hair was it short. Oh, actually pretty cool. Okay, so I wanted to bring out the camera because a few days ago was Mother's Day, as you saw in the previous videos. Since then, not much has been happening. I've kind of started online shopping, right, which isn't really that great, but thought maybe I'd show you guys what I got. Let's start. So the first item, we got this jersey, right, because I mean it's quite cold, and it says my sweatshirt is better than yours. It is, right. This cost 320 rand, which is probably wow, this is like nothing. Normally things like 450 rand, all that kind of jazz. No, it's ridiculous. This is great and it's really soft inside. This is the next item. I wear it at home quite often. It's just a little t-shirt. I have 3 of these. I have a black one, a navy one, and a white one, because it's an essential item, you know, just something you always need. And then we have my first pair of jeans, right? Quite bootleg, you know, nice and high-waisted. Love that. This is also a really goodie one. So this is a little bit different to the ones that I normally own. Open at the bottom over there. I got this in a little bit of a bigger size so that it's a little bit baggier, because they like what are they, like mom jeans? Okay, so I got these 4 things. Hoping I can wear jeans more, like in Cape Town when it gets quite cold, but I mean I don't know when I'm gonna go back. Zara app, one of the most amazing things ever. I just ordered a jacket and Kieran ordered a bodysuit, and they said that they're gonna try order to the shop the 1st to the 3rd of June, which is actually in quite a while because it's still the beginning of May. So I'm not sure when that's gonna come, but let me show you the one that I ordered. So here it is. This is it, as you can see there. I'm quite excited for when it comes, but yeah, there you go. So I'll let you guys know about that one. But yeah, because I mean there's nothing exciting going on in quarantine, I just thought that shopping for me is quite exciting. So I mean this isn't what I'd normally like add to a video or do a whole video on a little haul, but you know, it's, you gotta try new things, and I just thought that it would be nice to show you guys because I love watching haul videos myself, just to see, because I mean other people try on clothes for you, and then if you like it, then you go out and find those. It definitely isn't something I normally do, but just a little quarantine mini baby haul. Good morning, people. It is a new day, and today we're gonna go shopping. We have to go to the shops to get a few things and do a few things. I'm gonna take the camera along and see what we can get and see what we can. They can't see that I'm smiling because I'm laughing.
I can't pull it up because I can't see what I'm doing. I missed my glasses missed up.
Okay. People are gonna look at me so weirdly, but we're in the parking lot and my mom's inside. But basically, we got the goods. So we got some like comfy shorts, right? Then we got a cute little bralette because, you know, I'm just chilling at home, so you don't need to wear a normal bra. And then a sports bra because I left mine in Cape Town. Got a nice little sports bra. And then sweatbands because, I mean, I don't have enough. So yeah, that's pretty exciting. Oh, I'm wearing my new Cotton On stuff. Pants. This morning I am gonna make banana oat pancakes. I'm just gonna make it for my dad and I though. So I have this mixture here from Modern Honey. I'll link it down in the description for anyone that's interested. I've tried it before. It was really good. I made it for my whole family and everyone loved it besides my mom, but I think she just doesn't like oat pancakes in general. So so I'm just going to be halving the mixture. So if anyone like is confused and stuff, then it's because I'm halving it. So let's start. Oats, salt, milk, eggs, vanilla essence, baking powder, banana and syrup. Okay, now this is where the problem comes because it's way too runny. So what I just add is probably like maybe like 1/3 of a cup of flour just to make it a little bit not so runny. 1/3 of a cup of flour. Haha. Oh, that looks so good. First one. It's probably quite important to mention that this mixture that I made has made about, I think, 8 or 9 pancakes. Depends because mine are huge, so you could probably end up making like 12. So they done, and this is how I like making them. Feel free to make them however you like, but this is probably the best way. They taste so good. Oh my goodness. Melt the butter on the top, put onto the next layer, just eat it like this. So I'm going to end off the vlog here. So thanks for watching if you made it this far. But I'm hoping, I really am hoping to upload some more during this whole quarantine, but I'm going to see how things go because I've got a lot of work. But I'm planning on doing a next YouTube video with my sisters, so don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see that next. And thanks for watching.
Bye.